Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Sensationnel Latisha you can get your hands on, and yes, it's none other than the Sensationnel Lace 13x6 Zelina wig in the show-stopping shade Flamboyage Blonde. If you're on the hunt for a lace frontal wig that delivers salon-quality style without the hassle or the price tag, stick around, because this one deserves your full attention. Right out of the box, the Zelina wig impresses with its luxurious length and soft, wavy texture. This isn't your average synthetic wig. It's made from high-quality fibers that are heat-safe, so you can style it to suit your mood, whether you want to finesse some curls or sleek it out with a flat iron. The color is vibrant and multi-dimensional, thanks to the flamboyage blonde hue, which blends subtle highlights and lowlights to create a balayage effect you'd normally only find in a salon. This color looks especially stunning under natural light, adding depth and shine without looking overly processed. One of the key features that puts the Zelina above the rest is the 13x6 HD lace frontal. It's made with hand-tied Swiss lace that melts effortlessly into the skin, creating a seamless, natural-looking hairline. Sensationnel's What Lace collection is all about undetectable lace, and this unit delivers on that promise. Whether you're parting it in the middle, flipping it to the side, or going for that dramatic deep swoop, the free parting space gives you total flexibility. Now let's talk construction. This wig is glueless and comes with adjustable straps and metal combs, meaning you get a secure fit every time without any need for glue or adhesives. It's small to big head friendly, making it incredibly wearable for a wide range of head sizes. That ear-to-ear transparent lace ensures edge-to-edge coverage, so you won't have to worry about unnatural gaps or harsh lines. The pre-plucked hairline also includes baby hairs, making styling and blending a breeze, even for wig beginners. Comfort is another big win here. Despite the volume and length, the Zelina doesn't feel heavy. It's breathable, it fits snugly, and it gives you that high-end look without compromising comfort. And the waves? They bounce with every movement, adding that extra flair of realism and glam. For those who like to switch it up, this wig comes in a variety of shades beyond flamboyage blonde, including options with rich chocolate undertones, golden caramel highlights, and classic jet black. Each one offers something unique, but the flamboyage blonde? It's a head-turner, perfect for nights out, content shoots, or just giving yourself that everyday glam boost. Whether you're filming, working, or heading out for the weekend, the Zelina gives you the freedom to express your look, your way. It's bold, beautiful, and effortless, exactly what we want in a premium synthetic unit. So there you have it, the Sensationnel Lace 13x6 Zelina in Flamboyage Blonde, a standout in every sense. If you're looking to level up your wig game with a natural-looking, easy-to-wear, show-stopping style, this is the one to beat. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our next feature here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.